Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brett here with Orlando Harley-Davidson, and today we have the 2021 Ultra Limited. So this is the absolute touring Cadillac here. I mean, you got full lowers there, a full tour pack around the back. One of the nicest parts about this motorcycle in particular is it does feature the Milwaukee 8 114. Now, this isn't just your standard 114. It actually does feature twin cooling here. So especially here in the great state of Florida, it's nice to have that. It keeps you a little bit cooler there on the road for those longer trips. One of the highlights of this bike as well is you do have a full-size tour pack around the back here. Of course, it is all one touch, so you can even fit up to 2 full-size helmets in that tour pack there. One of the nice things about this bad boy as well is you do have the Boombox GTS upgraded wall-to-wall touchscreen there, which features onboard navigation and the whole 9 yards. So when you're really getting out there for those longer trips, this is going to be an absolute Cadillac for you. Absolute comfort, the whole 9. This bad boy is especially comfortable for your passenger here. You do have the upgraded passenger seat and the floating floorboards as well. So especially for those longer trips, it's definitely going to keep the person in the back seat a lot more comfortable there. One of the nice parts about this too is you do have 2 full-size saddlebags on each side. The 2021 Limited also comes standard with your heated grips here. So especially if you're getting out of state, it's going to keep you nice and warm on these cold winter nights down here in Florida. This Limited in particular does feature the blacked out finish. So it's going to keep down that maintenance as far as polishing up all that chrome and give you a very aggressive modern look on a very classic motorcycle. The 2021 Limited also comes standard with LED headlight, Daymaker LED there, and 2 auxiliary fog lights that are also LED as well. So definitely improves that nighttime handling there, and definitely the visibility for you as well. So the 2021 Limited also does come standard with a true dual exhaust here, and it's also got that nice blacked out finish, just adds to the aggressive character of the bike and just gets you away from all that chrome on there. All right, guys. Thanks for checking out this 2021 Limited with me here. Like I said, my name is Brett here at Orlando Harley-Davidson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and schedule a test ride for as soon as possible.